back to another Glorious ILN Story. Once upon a time in a city where forgetfulness reigned, there lived a hero named Rico. Rico was an AI robot, created with the power of ILN, who helped people remember their grocery lists, deadlines, even brushing their teeth before they went to bed. But the city had an evil villain named Oblivious, who plunged the city into chaos and stole memories. People forgot birthdays, doctor's appointments, and even buying gifts for their kids. And so the epic battle between Oblivious and Rico began. Oblivious unleashed his power, scrambling Rico's memories. But as she fought back, a miracle occurred. ILN's reminders feature kicked in and unleashed her full power, reminding not only herself, but everyone in the city of everything they had forgotten. The stolen memories flooded back into their rightful owners, and the city was saved, all thanks to the power of ILN. Tune in next week for another glorious ILN story.